Welcome. We went to our internet browser and we've entered in the web address www.neoK-12.com. neoK-12 contains educational videos, lessons, and games for grades K through 12. Notice on the right-hand side where this website has been ranked by a group for 100% kids safe. All lessons and videos on neoK-12 have been reviewed and screened by K-12 teachers. This is great to know, but still proceed with caution. Just because something is a video that's appropriate for a high schooler does not mean it would be appropriate for an elementary student. Let's take a look around the website and explore what's here. When we first log on to the website, we begin exploring the home page, where we have videos, activities, and games. Notice the different topics that are available to us. For example, we're interested in math and addition. Now that the link is open, you will see multiple videos that could be used in the classroom to help students work with addition. You may choose to use these videos during classroom lessons, as additional resources for students and parents at home, or you may want to consider embedding them into your website, wiki, or blog as an option also. Let's look at another category. Let's look at life science, plants. As you can see, plants has many more choices than our addition option did. Here we have pictures and school presentations, quiz games available, online games and puzzles, and videos. In a few minutes, when you begin to explore, you may want to use your social bookmarking site to keep track of all the discoveries that you make within neoK-12. Let's take a look at their updates for their interactive diagrams and other whiteboard resources. If you are using any type of interactive whiteboard, this is the site for you. Here you will find interactive diagrams that you can use on your interactive whiteboard. Simply click on the link beside the one that you are interested in, for example, water cycle. You'll see that the diagram will load with directions on what you need to do. Here you'll be dragging and dropping each label onto the correct green dot. Click Start. Now your students using their interactive whiteboard can come up, click on with their finger, drag to a green dot, and put it in its correct place. If you do not have an interactive whiteboard, this is still something that the students could practice at computers, at groups, or at home. Let's take a look at the educational games and puzzles. In this section, you will find lots of brain-challenging games, puzzles, quizzes, diagrams, and games, or topics to search by to help engage your students. Again, these may be activities that you could use on an interactive whiteboard, at computer stations, for extra practice at home. You can click a topic below to access a quiz that's been categorized by a grade level. Let's take a look at the laws of motion. You can see that the grades are 8 through 12, and these are the different quiz options we have. Let's click the first one to see how this looks. This interactive quiz has you click a question card and then the correct answer card. You'll score a point each time your first attempt is correct. And then you can reveal the hidden picture. So we click Start. Notice at the top, teachers, that you have the option to print a paper version. So if this is something you would like to create, maybe laminate, use in a center, have the students take it home as part of their science notebook, this option is available to you also. Let's click a card and an answer. And as we continue, we will eventually reveal our picture. You can see the quiz also gives us an explanation of the picture and the picture's relevancy to the quiz that we just completed. On the quiz section, if you would like, you also have the option to create a new quiz. You can create your own quiz in about 5 minutes, and you can also share it online. Let's take a look at the pictures by topic. Many times, students need photographs or images to use within presentations for the class. This is a great option on neoK-12 to find those images and know that they are not going to be inappropriate for classroom use. Again, images that are appropriate for the high school student may not be appropriate for the elementary student. Let's take a look at earth science and see what kind of pictures there are for volcanoes. You can see on the left that we have a list of many pictures. To look at a picture, click on the thumbnail. You can also read the article. The articles come from Wikipedia. If Wikipedia is blocked in your area, then this will not be available to you. If we scroll to the bottom of our main page, you will see we have more options: science projects, science experiments, how it works, how it's made, and child safety. These are additional categories to those listed above. There is also a section entitled Fun Videos, where you can see time-lapse, slow motion, arts and crafts, learn magic, music lessons, and sports lessons. This is an overview of the neoK-12 website. It is now your turn to explore the website and begin collecting materials that you can start using in the classroom.